What's up, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here, standing in front of my oven. Got it preheating. Why? Because I found something in my grocers. I actually found this at ALDI. I don't know if you have ALDI around you, but they're like cheap. I think it's a German grocery store chain, but it's like really inexpensive, and they did a total remodel of it. And it's awesome. But hey, this is Mama Cozzi's Pizza Kitchen Dip and Strips. Looks like a pizza on there, but then it comes with like these dips. And I was just checking it out. You got to cook the pizza for 16 to 19 minutes at 400 degrees. And this is what it looks like. It comes in a square, not a deep dish, but it is kind of a thick crust. And then you can see we have two packets here. This red, like tomato, and I guess like some sort of butter sauce. Those you heat up by just dropping the packets in hot water. And that'll kind of soften them up and turn them into dipping sauce, and you put them in a bowl. So I'm heating up the oven. Let's get this thing cooking. Try it out. All right, pizza should be done. In fact, I should have taken it out a couple minutes ago. But here we go. Looking pretty good. I got my sauces in hot water here, so put those in a bowl and then start tearing this thing apart. I think you pull them apart kind of like they're pre-scored and then dip them. Let's try it. Okay, this sucker is really hot. I had to cut it again with a knife to get it out of there. I may have cooked it just a little long. It's always a little bit of a guessing game when you're cooking a frozen pizza for the first time, but looks pretty good. It smells great. And as you can see, lots of stuff. And they are cut like an inch or an inch and a quarter in width, basically all the way across. So they definitely come out like these little sticks. Then you get this buttery garlic sauce right here. Yeah. I'm sure that's a heart attack waiting to happen. That's pretty good. Reminds me of Papa John's. And then you get a marinara dipping sauce right here. That's darn good too. Listen, I don't know that you need to dip it, but it's kind of nice to have these around to add a little bit of cool, moist flavor to it. Hey, Mama Cozzi's Dip and Strips Pizza. Never tried it before, never saw it before, but glad I picked it up. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out!